Hello guys, and welcome back to today's video. In this video guys, I'm going to be showing you how you can add a link in your Facebook story. I mean a clickable link. Now guys, this video was actually requested by someone who commented on one of my Facebook videos recently, and I promised that person I was going to make a video on this topic. So guys, normally if you copy and paste a YouTube link, sorry, I'm making this video specifically for people who want to paste a YouTube link in their Facebook story. Now once you copy and paste a YouTube link, you get something like this, and this link is not clickable. So if you paste a link and then it appears like this, if you keep clicking on the link, it won't direct you to any place. So this link is not clickable at all, and it's wrong if you want to get your link to be clickable. So guys, I'm going to show you how you can make something like this one. So this is actually a clickable link. Once I click on this link, it directs me to this person's YouTube channel, and this is actually nicknaming one of my favorite YouTuber. So guys, let's get started. Now normally what people do is to go to YouTube and then copy their link and then paste in their story, just like this. So once people just click on this create a story, all they do is to click on this create text story, and then they come over here and paste something like this. So if you share the story, you will get something like this, exactly like this, and it's not going to be clickable. So I'm going to show you right now how you can make it to look like the other one I showed you. This, okay. So I'm going to go to my YouTube. I'm going to open YouTube and then show you how to do this with one of the videos that are here. So let's say I want to share this video to my Facebook story. All I have to do is to click on this video and to open. And once it opens, let me just pause this so that it won't play. So let me scroll down a little bit. So all you have to do now is to click on this share button. So what some people do is that they come over here and then click on this and copy this link. All they do is to copy this link and paste it in their story, and it's wrong. So if you want to get your YouTube video to appear the way the other one was, just come here and select this Facebook. So once you select it, you're going to find out that the video is going to preview this way, and now you can add whatever you want to add. At the top you can say something about the video. So I can come here and say, please watch this video. And then after that, I can now scroll down a little bit. Oh, I can't actually scroll down. So now if you come down here, you can find out that you can either post it to your newsfeed or to your story, or you can choose to even post it on the boat. So where I actually want to post this is in my story, so I'm going to disable this one and select only your story. So after that, I'm going to click on this post to Facebook button down here. So after that, hopefully you're going to find out that the video is going to appear the same way it appears on YouTube. So let me just cancel this and go back to my Facebook account. Ctrl R, let me refresh this page, and then you're going to find out what I'm talking about. So okay, here's it. So let me open my story and show you. So you see, you have something like this. You have the video appearing this way instead of this way. So guys, this is actually how to add a link in your Facebook story. Hope this video was helpful to that person who requested for it, and to you who is actually watching right now. And this can actually work on both your desktop and mobile phone. So You don't have to worry if you're using a desktop or phone to do this. So guys, thank you so much for watching this video. If you're new to this channel, please subscribe to this channel and equally like this video if you find it helpful. I will see you in my next video. Bye for now.